Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. High Court Chief Judge Tsoho is to appear before NGC probe panel over the rivers crisis, with the issues going on between Fubara and Wike. So recently, most of seasoned senior advocates of Nigeria has been questioning why Wike will have to build, houses for judges, allocate houses to them in Abuja and what have you. And this is really causing a lot of stir because Wike is trying to buy the favor of most of them. And what's going on now in Rivers State is a clear indication that, Wike is trying to, get judges to get cases in his favor against Fubara to oppress Rivers State and is oppressing the people, the state at large. For instance, is looking forward to stopping local government allocation, all in a bid to frustrate what is going on in Rivers State. These are some of the little pushing that Wike is doing to Fubara. And this chief judge is one of those who has given a judgment in such a way that Nigerian Justice Council is calling him to come and appear. Why will he move take the judgment from River State to Abuja to come and make a decision that will affect a state? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. High Court Judge Chief Justice Tsoho is to appear before NGC probe panel over Rivers crisis. Chief Justice John Tsoho of the Federal High Court is scheduled to appear before National Judiciary Council (NJC) probe panel on October the 29th in response to several petitions from lawyers and others, well-meaning Nigerians. These petitions, as reported by Daily Post, concerns ruling tied to the ongoing political crisis in Rivers State, where cases orienting from Rivers State has been heard in Abuja instead of Port Harcourt Division. Prominent lawyer Femi Falana recently questioned this approach, sending a letter to Justice Tsoho and expressing concern that holding hearing in Abuja could increase the likelihood of undue influence on judgment. He highlighted that the Port Harcourt Division has 5 judges available. Court Division has 5 judges for this case and should be allowed, and any of these judges should be available and allowed for such cases. The issue granted further attention when Justice Joyce of Abuja declined a request to rescue herself, emphasizing that case assignment falls solely under Chief Judge's authority. The NJC focus on this situation aligns has shown recent practices where governorship election petition tribunal from Bayelsa, Kogi, Imo, Rivers State were held in Abuja due to security concerns tied to political unrest in those regions. Additionally, complexity to matter, the chief judge of Rivers State, Port Harcourt, will also meet with the NJC panel next week to address conflicting orders issued by judges within the state on this very issue. It is clear that Wike is paying off judges in order to get case in his favor, and NJC is particularly now concerned as Nigerians continue to raise issues with regards to why jurisdiction is not maintained and respected in all of this. So this is what is happening. They have said the judge will, chief judge will have to meet with the, National Judiciary Council (NJC) because what is happening is unprecedented. there is a case that is going on, and this case should have been done in Abuja. How come you are moving from Abuja? It should have been done in Port Harcourt. How come you are moving the pillar, you are moving the post just because you want to suit yourself? Such things should not be allowed at all. Most of these things being done is a clear indication of all kinds of, fraudulent activities going on that should not be given the opportunity to shine. These are all indication of how bad our country has become, where voices, can no longer speak because those who have no words have the ones now who controls, the institution, the whole country. Those who do not even know who they are the ones calling the shots, and it is terrible. Honestly, sincerely terrible. So judges are now being asked to come, they'll be meeting with, with the whole council to explain themselves. Little wonder Wike has gone to quickly, build houses for them in Abuja. One of the things Wike quickly did was to ensure that he took the land that belongs to Julius Berger. He was driving through Abuja trying to look for land for them. He has promised them, building them choice houses. Can you see how Nigeria has turned into a laughing stock, that these people no longer believe that something can be done? They want to control, because by the time you're giving them houses, you can give them, you can take it back. Yes, so you want to make sure that you are the one who controls, their judgment, which is a terrible thing going on. So in Nigeria, the justice system is no longer blind, because the eyes are open. They've received gifts. They know what it is to taste gift. And so they now give judgment based on the gifts. And this is part of what is going on. The terrible issues of what is happening is visible for all to see. And until we begin to say no to these approaches being put on us, because Tinubu is quiet, is enjoying everything that is going on, is very, very quiet. And those that should speak are not speaking, thank God for Falana. It's not like any of them is a saint, but when you see what is wrong is wrong. There is no other name for it. Everybody will have to speak out and say, you know what, this thing is wrong. That's exactly what is going on now. It has become crystal clear that something is seriously not right. And everybody's watching to see how we can truly make the lot of difference in order to ensure that Nigeria move forward. The lies currently facing this country has come to show that if we do not rise up to the occasion and put these people in their place by saying no, these people will continue to do what they do. How can one man be controlling the whole judiciary system in Nigeria and everybody's quiet because he has the backing of Tinubu? Okay, Tinubu wants him, to continue to cause problem in PDP, so that he can have with PDP a house that is divided, then he can have a fig day, okay, and position himself in such a way that he can have something to say at the end of the day. So there are all kinds of words going on. And until we all rise up together and say, no, these lies have to stop, it may not stop. So leave us a comment. Let's hear your thoughts. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.